Want to get your parts 3D printed? Tired of waiting for manual quotation for your parts? Want your parts printed fast and delivered quickly? Switch to digital manufacturing today. With us, it's really simple and fast. Start your process with iamRapid. Get instant online quotation for your 3D printing parts. In 4 steps. Yes, only in 4 steps. Step 1. Type iamRapid.com in Google and click Enter. You're directed to our homepage. Register and get started. Step 2. After registering, click on Get Instant Quote. Drag and drop your files. No matter how many files you have. Click on Upload. Step 3. Select type of printing technology. Select type of material. Select layer height. Get pricing for each part automatically. You can download your quote or save it. Click on Add to Cart if you're ready to proceed. Add your address and select Express or normal delivery based on your choice. Now you can relax. We will get it from here. Step 4. Our nearest best 3D printing manufacturers print your parts. And after printing, parts are delivered directly to your address. Now what are you waiting for? Get started today.